and schools in central Georgia taking steps to keep students safe during this flu outbreak. Gabrielle Dawkins joins us live now to explain how.
Now, let's face it, Lori, no one wants to get sick. Now, if you're in an enclosed area with someone who is sick, germs can spread quick. Now, I spoke to a man earlier today who said that he uses a spray to kill pathogens like the flu. Hambrick with Ecovasive grabs his gear and heads into more than a dozen schools in central Georgia.
During the flu season, this year especially, we are going about every week and a half.
He says they use this formula made with natural products.
It's a non-toxic, non-corrosive formulation. We may not wipe out the flu, 100%, but most of the time we're keeping your employees and your family members safer in those areas.
Ed Mashburn, the principal of Crawford County High School, says they spray water fountains, door handles, light switches, keyboards, and more.
We've had really good results.
They've maintained a 93% average daily attendance rate all school year.
Right now, we only have 33 kids since Christmas, since all this flu outbreak that has come in to miss school because of the flu.
Hambrick says it's not like other sprays or products that can take longer to kill pathogens.
If you're wiping, that's great, but really all you're doing is possibly smearing the bacteria to another area, mopping it to another area.
He says it's long-lasting.
We do have a residual product as well that will sit on these type of surfaces for up to 20-something days, allowing the bacteria to never grow.
Says this product kills pathogens like MRSA, the staph infection, and the flu in just 3 minutes. Live in Macon, Gabrielle Dawkins, 13 WMAZ Eyewitness News.
Pretty powerful stuff. Thanks a lot, Gabrielle.